Hello, good day, Miss Kel Christine.
Hello, Mom. Good day.
Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Kel Christine Luzano, 33, married and have 4 kids, ages 12, 10, 5, and 2 years old.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in Tacurong City, Sultan Kudarat, Philippines.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 5 siblings, 4 brothers, and 1 sister. I am the second child of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I am a graduate of Diploma in Midwifery.
Okay, and how would you describe yourself?
I am a trustworthy, honest, obedient, and a God-fearing person.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong for financial support of my family and of course, to secure the future of my kids.
And who will take care of your kids when you go abroad?
My husband and my parents will take care of my kids.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience.
I am a working student with a all-around housemaid with a couple of have 3 children, ages 8, 6, and 2 years old. My duties are taking care of the children, marketing, cooking, washing, and ironing.
Okay, from what year?
From 2007 to 2014.
Okay, did you finish all your contract?
Yes, Mom.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, Mom.
Are you willing to take care of a healthy elderly person?
Yes, Mom.
Are you willing to take care of a children and newborn babies?
Yes, Mom.
What will you do if the baby is crying?
First, I will check if the diaper of the baby is dirty. I will change it. Second, I will check if the baby is hungry. I will feed the baby. And I will check the temperature of the baby. If the baby is sick, I will inform my employer immediately.
Okay, and what will you do if the children are naughty and not listening to you?
I will encourage them to play or sing a song. And
Okay, do you have the full consent of your husband, parents, family to go work abroad?
yes, Mom,
What will you do if you feel homesick?
I will focus on my work and pray.
Okay, if you have family problem, would you go home or just send financial support?
I will send financial support.
Are you willing to share a room with the children, elderly, or other helpers?
Yes, Mom.
Are you willing to work during your rest day and employer will pay us overtime?
Yes, Mom.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during your working hours?
Yes, Mom.
Do you promise not to loan from any bank in Hong Kong?
Yes, Mom.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, Mom. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Do you know how to swim?
No, Mom.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol beverage?
No, Mom.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, Mom.
Do you have your own dogs and cats in your home?
Yes, Mom.
Do,
I have 5 dogs and 1 cat.
okay, do you have any tattoo?
No, Mom.
Do you have food allergy?
No, Mom.
Do you need to wear glasses while working?
No need, Mom.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, Mom.
Do you have any surgical operation or any serious sickness before?
No, Mom.
Are you under any special medication right now?
No, Mom.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, Mom. I promise to finish my contract and I will stay as long as my employer needs me.
Okay, please give a short message for your future employer to hire you.
Hello, Mom and Sir. I am Kel Christine Luzano. I am willing to be your housemaid. Please choose me to be your housemaid. I am a trustworthy, obedient, and honest person. And I will treat you and your kids as my own family. I will follow all your instructions and I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you and God bless.